On behalf of the Road Legal 4-Wheel Drive Association, we would like to present these 2 checks to the St. Nazianz Fire Department and the Valders Fire Department. They are, without them, we would all be in grave danger in the event something happens out in the field. These are the folks that make it happen. These are the folks that save lives, and we would like to thank you for that. So we're going to keep doing what we're doing. We're going to keep supporting what you're doing, and together we can help keep Cinema and the surrounding area safe and support the community. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, I don't have the power.
Scrap that idea.
You're gonna drown.
Yeah, no kidding.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Crazy. That is crazy.
Maybe you could have rolled it over with it.
Darn near. All right, here we go. Closer.
Well, we lost the village, thanks.
Probably gonna still need heads. Oh, I caught you.
And it's going still.
Holy man.
Tipping it.
Yeah. All right, grab the jugs of water. We're all done? I think everybody's gone, right?
Yep.
It's really gasoline, right?
Surprise!
April Fools!